After a week of really bad rain, we're finally getting out to explore a little bit more of Koh Phangan.
So today we're heading out to check out some of the beaches here on the island, and we're going to be starting at the most northwest point at Mae Haad Beach. Good snorkeling, nice corals, nice sunset, sea viewpoint.
I want all those things.
All around, all over above. Come on. Snorkeling, big bungalows, take a seat. Raincoat and all still on. Preparing.
Okay, time to take the raincoat off then.
Raincoat off.
I think the rain's disappeared for a wee while.
Yeah. The main reason we wanted to come and check out this beach in particular is actually that there's a wee island you can see just behind me here that's kind of connected but kind of not connected to Koh Phangan at the same time. Whenever there's low tide, there's actually a wee small sand path that just runs from right from this beach the whole way out to the island that you can walk across, but at the minute it's quite high tide, so you can't actually walk across at the minute. I don't think so. You might be able to like walk through the water over it, so we're going to go check out this wee island, and that's the main thing, is actually pulled us till this beach.
You're gonna need to get
I think
changed.
I'm gonna get changed. It's a wee bit deeper looking than what I originally thought.
Oh.
Okay, that's where we get changed.
We are changed and ready to go.
So our goal is to get the whole way over here. What do you think's doable without getting the bag wet?
We're almost there. So this past wee while it's actually been raining quite a bit, so we haven't got out to many beaches. So today is really nice. It has already rained quite a bit today, but I think we just have to frig it and come out anyway.
There's quite a bit of rubbish and stuff, isn't there?
I think it's all like washed up or like...
Do you have a nice wee swim?
It's really nice, yeah. You gonna come join me now?
I don't know. I'm really thinking, do we go check out the next beach? Do you want your sunnies?
Yeah.
Oh, you okay?
I can see them.
Okay, so next stop, Salad Beach. Supposedly this is actually one of the best snorkeling spots in Koh Phangan as well, but Ashton tried to do a bit of snorkeling and
The water was really cloudy.
nothing.
There wasn't really that many fish about. I think you probably would have to go like quite a wee bit out.
Still a beautiful spot altogether though, an amazing place to just
Yeah.
come and like actually walk around and chill.
And the water's
Absolutely
really,
stunning.
I'm sorry. And the water's really shallow like the whole way out. So you
And
can
really warm.
Yeah, and really warm. So if you're not a very strong swimmer, you can kind of stand up at any
Yeah,
stage,
just
which
walk
is
around.
yeah, it's really nice as well. What does it say?
Take only memories, leave nothing but footprints.
Cleaning all the stones as he goes past.
I like this one. It's a good day. Ooh, are you hungry?
Always hungry. Silly question. So to actually get onto this beach, you have to walk through a restaurant, and this is the wee bridge across. So I thought the beach was called Koh Ma, but we think it actually might be the island.
I think the island's called Koh Ma, and the beach, like in front of the island, is called Mae Haad. Mae Haad, M-A-E-H-A-A-D. Mae Haad. Mae Haad. We'll go with that. But yeah, I think the island's called Koh Ma.
So now we're going to head back to our scooter and head towards Haad Salad beach, which should be only about a 5 or 10 minute drive away, so it shouldn't be too long.
Yeah, Haad Salad.
Haad Salad. So because we plan to be travelling for so long, we do kind of try to save money as much as we can, and we really don't like getting taxis or tuk-tuks just because they are that wee bit more expensive. But we find that if you hire your scooter for a wee bit longer, sometimes only more than 7 days, you get a bit of a discount. So because we've had our scooter now for like 2 weeks, we actually got it for 150 baht a day, which is really, really good because usually you're paying 200, and quite a few places in Koh Phangan were actually charging 250 a day. So for us, that's a bargain. So I think we have to park up in this resort and then walk through it.
What are we at? Haad Salad?
Yes.
Haad Salad. Let's rock. Beautiful.
Oh, this is unreal.
They look nice. Yeah.
I'm so confused. You see everyone like digging in the sand and like picking up stuff, but I never really know what it is. So I'm trying to get a closer look on her basket, and it just looks like really nice looking stones.
Like stones. Maybe she's making like wee like necklaces or like bracelets and things like that out of it.
Probably for jewellery.
Yeah, that is for like homemade jewellery. Possibly. Interesting. You can rewatch this.
Yeah. She's like peeling the sand back in layers. Go for a boogie.
This is my beach dance.
Beach dance.
This is my everything dance, to be fair.
I was going to say that's what you do all the time.
This is my only dance.
Oh, this place up here says they're having a fire show later.
Fire party.
That's what we should do. Go get a class and learn how to like play with fire. Fire?
I can juggle, so I'm sure I can juggle fire. Like
Yeah.
fire, like sticks or balls or something.
I'm sure.
This beach actually feels a lot more kind of like family orientated, and like a lot of couples and stuff around as well, but it is absolutely class and gorgeous as well. And there is so many like bars and restaurants and stuff along kind of the beach front here, which nearly all the beaches in Thailand have, to be
Yeah.
fair, but like it is just a gorgeous spot as well.
They know how to entertain on the beaches.
Yeah, definitely.
This beach as well is a lot softer, the sand. So if you're coming just to kind of walk up and down the beach, this is a much nicer beach to do that on.
And it is quite a long stretch of beach too.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
so it's gorgeous.
We've walked up and down maybe like 3 times
Yeah.
at this stage.
So I think we're gonna chill here for a bit, baby, and then head to the next beach, which is hopefully gonna be
Yao.
Yao now?
Yao. No. Yao.
I'll find out and then I'll tell you. I don't know. We'll check it.
Someone's got a barbecue going. Or a fire. I think it's just a fire.
Just a fire. Do we know the name of this one again?
Yanoi.
Yanoi Beach.
I
Yanoi
think
Beach.
Yanoi.
It's the third one down from top of the island, which is Mae Haad.
Mae Haad.
Mae
We've
Haad
been to
Island.
Mae Haad, Haad Salad, and now Yanoi.
Yanoi.
We're doing well.
Yeah, annoy me most of the time.
I hate you so much.
Oh, this is class. This is even bigger than that.
Such a big beach. So we are just at Yanoi Beach now, and I think we're gonna go for a wee swim.
Wee dip.
Ooh, still something slimy.
Llama. Jellyfish.
No, not jellyfish.
The water actually be so warm in like most of the beaches here. Even though it has been like raining quite a bit, it is still nice and warm, which is good. I keep my sunnies on.
Yeah. They're on top of your head.
On top of my head. Check out this absolute resort right in the coast here. How class does that look?
It's massive. We seen it coming down the road and I actually thought it was a sign for the beach. But no, it was for Yanoi Resort.
You know what, now that I'm thinking of it though, like I was gonna say like they have an unreal view. Ours is better. We're like on the water.
We're
They're
at
like
the beach.
Up, like looking down, we're like on the water.
We want to go for a swim, we can go straight in.
From bed, you can use bed like diving board and just like bounce from bed and... Also, all the water is really, really shallow and like all of the beaches, like we're quite far out. And like, it's what, waist deep?
Yeah.
So like you have to go quite far out to get like deep water.
Like if you're just looking to go out for a wee swim, it's actually the perfect height that you can go for a swim, but if you want to stand up, you're fully standing up like. Spaced. No matter where you look up in the hills, there's a wee house hidden somewhere.
Wee houses everywhere.
Wee houses absolutely everywhere. What a view you would have though.
Under the sea.
You have a nice swim?
Oh, that was lovely. I feel refreshed, re-energised, and the sun's coming back out.
Yeah. Dry us off now.
Didn't need to. Only got one towel, but I don't think all the towels in the bike.
Very smart.
Go on, let me see your handstand. Oh, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. Hey, Mr. Doug. Sandy hands.
So we finally found out that the name of this beach is Haad Yao.
Haad Yao.
Haad Yao, yes.
Haad Yao Beach.
So that's where we've been this past wee while. We went for a wee dip and we've just been chilling out on the beach watching as the sun's going down, and it's been a great way to end the day.
It has been so nice. So we're not going to have any more beach hopping today. However, there is 2 more beaches here on the northwest coast of Koh Phangan we do want to check out as well. So we're hopefully going to come back maybe tomorrow or the day after and check out them as well and see what they're kind of saying. But today has been class. Koh Phangan is so nice and the beaches are amazing.